Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So whilst Laylatul Qadr is here, we must remember to say our Laylatul Qadr dua. The third part of the night is the best time to say this, but just keep repeating it. This is a dua of forgiveness that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam advised us to say on the night of Laylatul Qadr. Sometimes when we don't do dua so often, it's easy to forget. So I've got a really good idea. Let's put this in a frame. We can send it out as a gift, or we can put it on our own wall. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't.
Decide on the size you want your frame to be. I want mine to be A5. I've printed off the Laylatul Qadr dua to colour in. I formatted it to the size of my frame. I've also got the translation of the dua. I've chosen a lively colourful background. I'm sizing up the background and dua. This is printed on orange paper so it goes to the background on my frame. Once I've picked the right match, I will cut this out. I've chosen to carefully colour in the dua in gold pen. This goes for my background. I've decided not to colour in the translation. You can choose what you feel will look good visually in your frame. After checking the dua against my frame, I'm putting the back piece into the frame and cutting out any excess. When I'm happy with the size, I'm positioning the dua and the translation and gluing into place. I'm making sure I regularly check against the frame that this looks fine also. Then I continue to glue the translation. Once I'm happy, I open up the pins of my frame and place my display into the frame and position the pins back down again. The Laylatul Qadr dua frame is now ready. You can give this as a gift. You can put it on your side or you can hang it up. You won't forget to say the dua on the night of Laylatul Qadr. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe.